Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to do a simple way how you can delete comments in Wrike. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is when you're going to be in Wrike, you just want to simply click on whatever Wrike you got and whatever task. And I'm going to add a comment here. And then you need to just go to hover on the comment, and then you're going to see 3 dots here and click delete and delete the comment. And this is pretty much it how you do it. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye.